What's up, you guys? Today's video, I don't know why I always clap. I'm just happy. So I've been looking a little glowy on my cheeks at the moment just because I took off my previous makeup just so I can do this video, but whatever. Okay, so today's video we're gonna be doing a challenge that I've never done before. It's like my first time, but it's kind of like trending right now on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. So I kind of wanted to try it and see how it turns out. And I'm actually really scared because I don't know if it's gonna turn out right, if I'm gonna look cute or if I'm gonna look ugly, I don't know. So today's challenge is called The Numbers Pick My Eyeshadow. I'm gonna have to pick an eyeshadow, which I did. I'm using my Bavaria palette right here. And we just count how many, oh my god. Oh my god. So we're just gonna, I don't know why I did that. So we're just gonna count how many palettes, like pans it has. So this one has 14. And that 14, like that number, I'm gonna be putting it on paper. And I put it on this. And then so how I'm gonna do is that this is 1, 2, 3, 4. You kind of get it. But I put all those 14 numbers in here, and whichever number I pick is what I'm gonna use for my eyes. I'm gonna be picking 4 numbers off of this little bowl, and then I'm gonna have to create a look with that. So obviously I'm gonna choose which one goes on my inner corner, on my crease, which one's like, sorry, my dog is playing with her toy, but I'm actually excited. Okay, let's start the challenge. You like my bruise? I don't know how I got it, I woke up with it. Okay, this is 1. I'm just gonna pick, okay. 2, is it together? No, it's 1. 3, and 4. Okay, we're gonna open these up and see what, no. Oh my god, I just dropped one, okay. So this eyeshadow palette has like metallic colors right here. It has like 2, 4, 6 metallic colors, like glitter metallic colors. Kind of wore this, maybe it helps a little bit. I don't think so, not really, but let's give it a try, right? Okay, so the first number is 7. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's gonna be pink. Okay, Palermo. I'm gonna have to write this down just so I know what the names are. Just so I don't have to keep counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew, I'm scared. Alright, the second number, I'm scared. 13. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god, they're glitter colors. Is this Mediterranean color? No. What am I gonna do? Okay, okay. Angel, calm down. Next number is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's pink. Oh my god, it's pink. Okay, it's Bahamas. Bahamas. Finally, a matte color. Oh my god, I was gonna freak out if it was gonna be all metallic colors. I would look funky. My dog is staring at me like. Alright, so the next color I'm gonna go with is number 13, which is Mediterranean, which is this color right here. And I'm just gonna put that on top of the Palermo color. And let's just see how it looks. I look like I'm from the galaxy far, far away. It looks cute. It looks... I feel like a girly girl with this color. I really thought it was gonna be gray. Like, it looks gray. But on my lid, it's purple. Anastasia, you're tricking me. Alright, next shade we're going to be using is the Bahamas, which is this really bright pink. The only matte color that I got. And I'm going to be putting that on my outer corner. Let's just see how it looks. Alright, last but not least, we're going to be using Inheritance, that gold shimmery color in my inner corner. I planned this so well, thank God. Like, I was thinking, it was like, what color goes with what? Okay, now I'm just going to add that. Oh, she's pigmented. I love this gold. Alright you guys, so I already finished my face, and yeah, it turned out really great. I really thought it was gonna be super ugly just because, I don't know, I felt like metallic looks just don't look good on me, like the metallic gold, whatever color those are. I just felt like it didn't look good on me, that's why I was so scared to try it. But it turned out really cute. Look at that. I added eyeliner, I added falsies, and for my lips, you can see that, I just put highlighter. Alright you guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you guys think, what you guys want to see. She's very thoughtful, so she wants to know what you guys are thinking. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye!